Hello Pigeon World, Kevin Gall here, ADL, America's Dream Loft Total Sale. Here to introduce to you part 15, lot number 5. Mr. Armando, checker cock. Band number NL21-1692081. Super handling pigeon. Great muscle, very round body, very strong. Man, super muscles, very strong tight vent bones. Just a great handling bird. He's a grandson of Armando, first national ace pigeon, long distance, first Olympic ace pigeon, sold for $1.5 million. Also a grandson of Cyrus, a super breeder, responsible for 5 first MPO national winners. He's a half brother of first MPO Troya's winner as well. Shot of his wing, super wing too. Just a great bird all around. His father's Cobra Kai, original Falco Ebon pigeon. Those of you who have been following me know what I think of the Falco Ebon birds. They're phenomenal pigeons. Cobra Kai bred first MPO Troya, has 6,400 pigeons, 7-minute lead. He's a son of Cyrus, a super breeder responsible for 5 first MPO and national winners, who's also grandfather of Falco Ebon's top bird Linus now, who's continuing the legacy that went from Cyrus to Diablo and now to Linus. His mother's a daughter of Armando, first national ace pigeon, first Olympic ace pigeon, sold for $1.5 million. Shot of his eye. So really fantastic pedigree on this bird. Shot of his back. Please note that there is no original pedigree from the Netherlands for him. ADL had records in their pedigree database, so it's a pedigree on through ADL's pedigree program. And this is going to be the last bird of the auction. Part 15, lot 5 is where it ends. What a great bird to end it on. I want to thank everybody who's followed along with all these videos, who's followed along with the auction. It's been a pleasure to show you these birds, describe them for you, to help put on this auction for Jim Gabler of America's Dream Loft. It's been a lot of fun, and I hope everybody has success with the birds they got. I know there were a lot of top quality birds that went through this auction. Super genetics, Jim spared no money when it came to buying some of the top lines the world had to offer, really. And they were all available to you. So thanks everybody for following along, for bidding, for buying, asking questions. Thank you to Jim Gabler, America's Dream Loft, for trusting me with this process. Very grateful for that. Also thank you to Best Pigeons, Frank McLaughlin, Guy Coderoni of Landing Strip Loft. You guys were great to work with. So this ends it for America's Dream Loft Total Sale. Hope everyone enjoyed. And until next time, let's talk pigeons.